How to fade video in CapCut. Let's get into it. Begin by importing your footage. Select your clip. This is going to open up the clip settings in the top right. Expand the blend setting. This is going to open up opacity. To create a fade in effect, move your playhead to the very beginning, set opacity to 0 and create a keyframe. Next, move your playhead to where you want your fade to end. I'm going to go for 2 seconds. Next, come back to blend and increase the opacity to 100%. Doing this is going to create the 2 keyframes, which allows you to fade in the video like so. If you want to do the same thing at the end of your clip, let's say for example if I want to fade this clip out, I can move my playhead to where I want the fade to begin, press the keyframe on opacity again, and then move the playhead to where I want the fade to end and bring opacity down to 0 again. So what we've done here is created a fade in followed by a fade out. And that's all there is to it.